What's up everybody and welcome to today's Tableau walkthrough. In this video we're going to create a map. Tableau has the capability to enhance your geographic analysis by the creation and building of several different types of maps. If you are new to maps or simply want to take advantage of the mapping capabilities of Tableau, you can create a simple map by using two different things. You need first a location in your data source, which could be a state or province if you're in America, or you can use latitude and longitude coordinates. So let's get into creating a simple map in Tableau. The first thing you need to do is open your Tableau application. The second thing you need to do is to connect to a data source, specifically one with location data. The one that we're going to connect to today is the Sample Superstore dataset. So to do that, you navigate to the left panel, scroll down to Save Data Sources, and click on Sample Superstore. Now you have access to a worksheet and you can start building your simple map. To build your simple map, you can either use the latitude and longitude that was automatically generated, or you can navigate to the data pane, click location, our location hierarchy, and then you can just double click state or province. And it will automatically populate a map based on the state or province field that you've clicked on. And let's say we want to identify, instead of these random dots, because these dots are don't really show us any information. It just shows us where our state or province is in North America. But let's say we want to look at the sales by each state or province on this map. To do that, we go back to the data pane. We click sales and drag it. And then to drop it into the size under the marks card, we unclick, and then now we have these dots that represent how much sales are happening in each part of these states. So the bigger the dots, the more the sales, which we can see on this key to the right. Maybe we don't like how this looks. Maybe we don't want dots. Maybe we want to highlight these particular values. To highlight these particular values, we just need to navigate to the marks card, hit this drop down menu that says automatic based on size, and then hit map. And now we have a highlighted map, but this just shows us a blue monotone shading. If we want to get different shades of color, we just need to drag sales into the color icon under the marks card. And now we have the ability to see different highlights, and the darker the color, the more sales that are happening in the city. The lighter the color, the least amount of sales that are happening in the city. So now you've highlighted and showed some visualization on building a map, and you've created your first map in Tableau. So let's name it map. Now you have completed the creation of your first map in Tableau. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.